Hi, good morning everybody. I'm doing this room. I got a couple of requests doing it. Windows Application Forensics. It was essential what to solve in the room Blazor. Okay, I connect whenever these Windows machines. I like to use my I use the X3 RDP to connect directly to it, so I can copy and paste and resize on all of that. So okay, this is the machine. I don't know why it's black screen, usually what happened, but I think it's not licensed. Okay, let's start. After you connect the machine, the first thing they will give us is the login site schedule task and services. So the first thing that will start is to look for the event manager. Basically, what event ID you're looking for. There's two important. One is the 4698 schedule was created and one was updated, so you can look for these two. Here they're looking for the event manager. Okay, so of course you look for the I already opened them, so we look for Windows log security, and then we can filter the current log. We can have these two, and then the 4702 event log and the 4702, and we can filter the security log. We have only one, and this one it said a shared task was created, account name Mike Myers, task information, the content, where's the content, Windows system update URL, what else we can get, duration. Is there any command or something? Oh, this is the PowerShell command, and there is we can copy this now. This is the command for the event. It's a PowerShell, so we can do our friend. You say is a PowerShell encrypt. We remove that one that I don't need. Now you said from base 64. Where is base 2? Base 64. Remove the you can do it in PowerShell. I don't like that PowerShell, too many commands just to do base 64. And then you can see is downloading URL HRC. So we got what the service is doing, so we know was created. There's a PowerShell on it, and that's it. So we have the information. Task this is the PowerShell, the action context, and all of that. Exactly, the first one is straightforward, so we did this. Of course you get all this information in the log, the trigger, the execute context, the user context, and all of that. Then we have the service. We can start and say some question, because who created the malicious shell task? Remember we create, where is it? In the log it tell you the account name is Mike Meyer, so we know is this guy. Oops, let's go back. I did copy the whole thing, so Control C. It's a bit long room. That's something. It took me a bit lazy for me to do it. Based on the ones discovered from the log, what you had asked about the initial shared task. So before we go to the service section, we can get we already get the link from we have the link here, so, and we can automatically do defang the URL here, so do things lazy way. And then we got the first question. Now the next section is, of course, this is what event manager. Now the service. So this is very important usually to have this documentation in your computer in case you get forensic room. So like you save this information in the future. If there is a forensic room, you remember them. So for example now, or a new service was installed in service, so we can do the same things in the security. Let's try this once. 4697 filter current log 4697. Let's see what we get. It should be in the oh, okay, we got it already. It's the same as Mike Mayer service file name MEU update, so that's what he's doing. The name is server power, so it's in a C folder in Windows help. Should where he hide it. Okay, that's fine. Let's see how room event timestamp, the service binary, we got it, the service start type, and then also they give us a PowerShell we can use. For example, event 7045, we can do the PowerShell. Where is my PowerShell? We can have that. But of course it will show you all the service being that the 40 this one service was installed, a service was also in the system. Oh, so in our case, what was the log 1? We got 4697, so it means security channel. So okay, we got that one. And now with the PowerShell, did you fix it? Service control manager, service control provider name 704. What's the name here? Elevation. That's not. It's Microsoft Edge. Mozilla. There is no. Oh, this is the service. What? And then what? The question? Based on the logs, what's the name of the malicious service? Okay. So in any case, it's not in the. How we know it's malicious? Good question. Let's see what this one gives us. No, early morning and my brain is already off. Oops. What? Let's copy. So it's both of them. The 4697 it give me this service. This service in Windows help. Let's get this file. Let me activate hidden local C view, show hidden. Let's see where these things help. Why? Something is not right. What? Oh, this PC. Oh, where's that help things? Help. It's very strange position, place of it. But so if you look at the services now, this one is the one that stand out. This one is a normal. This is the Mozilla. This is Microsoft, and then this one Edge update. So the only one stand up is this one. The position. The only thing you can say about is malicious is the way where you save it. Let's see what TryHackMe is saying. once executed, you will see the output. Okay, unlike scheduled task, Windows service is used to specify beneficiary to run a service with a binary attached to a service is necessary. Moreover, there are some cases where threat actor use online a command to execute malicious command during user context. The user context determines whether the account is expected to create or modify comparison the baseline. The user who created the service, the user security username is Mike Mayer, so if he created the scheduled task, the first one, so I think the best thing is that's the one that stand out like not like the others. Maybe you need more analysts to not this one. Maybe you need more analysis to this binary itself when it run what it do. So let's follow the room if we can catch it this one later on. Now we get the next round is we go to manual inspection of the scheduled task. This is you start the shadow task, and then you can see them, and then task name, location, investing persistence via shadow task. Is hiding the real one. We'll come back now to you. I'm just doing quickly. You have the user context, the trigger, the setting, run task as soon as possible, and fail and all of that. For example, here they go into the folder and read it. So for example, here they took let's go back, let's follow with them. The schedule task I have it is here. He took which one is doing the rumor, is using as an example office click. Let's follow office click. Where is office click? Local office click. Where is office click? Office installer office. Office installer shadow scan. You can see the funny part. You can this is one here already standing out. I'm trying to figure out where is this office click of this screenshot. Oh, you go to Microsoft Office. Shadow. Let's go there. Let's follow. It's not the. Why my computer is. Why it's not opening this one? Oh, you need to click twice. Office. Oh, you can see the 90. You can see strange name already there. And this one, Microsoft Office. I'm trying to figure out. Office click to run. This is the one that the room is trying to. Office click. Office subscribe. In any case, this one is not malicious. They just using, for example, the trigger is every day at 4. It gives you the name. Action you can see is running legitimate Microsoft Office. So the next one he go to looking for the file. So breaking down the shadow task. The shadow task in Microsoft are under Windows systems. We can go straight to this one. Windows Office, for example, task Microsoft. Where is that? My folder, disk, Windows, system 32 to Office. So this is the Office, and you can see this one. I think next task will have this. Then click to run, and he give you the task. Click to run service monitor. Let's do this. This one is like you come here just to check them. I think it's a text editor. This one we can open it with Notepad. Can we zoom, my friend? Notepad. Find next, edit, page setup. No, okay. So we get information. The same that we get is more it's an XML. When it run, wherever, where is the command? It's the command C program. So now this is example. They just show us for to learn, but this is not the malicious part of it, and that's why they hide in the one that is malicious here. Moreover, the property can be checked. Okay, we can check this one too, like the property when it was run, and then all of this is straightforward, and then we give us some PowerShell we can use. Okay, let's start investigating the real ones. If we go backward to the task manager, we do the PowerShell later on. Aside from the shell task from the Windows event log, what does the second malicious task? Remember the first one we got. The first one we got called server. No, that is the service. What was the name of the first one? Uh-oh, I forgot about it. This is for the service. Let's go back to that name, 4702. So let's not jump. And where is the event log? Filter. Let me get this one, and then we have the second one, 4702. What was the first one? I forgot about it. So the first one was Mike Myers. Task name was Windows System Update. That's the name. Okay, so if we go to the task manager, go back. Why they look funny now? Where is we can see this one. I'm not sure this is for. Where is the task Windows System Update? Why this one you can't make them bigger? You can't search here or share the task. Why it doesn't work? Window Edge. This is the system update we got from Mike Mayer. So we know this one. Okay, we got that one. The question was, before we do PowerShell, he said, aside from the shell task from Windows event log, what does the second malicious task execute? Of course, one of the things to identify, of course, more sophisticated one is sometimes need a lot of investigation, but in our case, this one we can. Where is gone that one? Let's go back to our friend there. This one, remember we saw that 99. Look, this one will look interesting and strange, and it's run in the office too. So 96 this one. So if you look, it has a file in the public. So if we go now, trigger, it's every day at 5:21. Action is running this script in user. Let me open another explorer. Oops, leave that one there. This PC, local C, it's user in public. So this is what, why playing with me this Windows today. This is the file. So here you find the file page filler. So you can, of course, with property you can see it was done in 5:52 p.m. March 7. So we know the file. Of course, if you go with Git or something, you can analyze this binary what exactly is doing. So we know the file, and then what we have there. Start task only if the computer is on power. Okay, that's it. That's what exactly this one do. I hope we're looking at the right one. Aside from the shell task, what does the second malicious shell task execute? If I'm correct, is the one for this task. So this one will trigger action. This action. How we copy? We can't copy. I think we can. Where is that property? Location. The service is under office, so we can find it here. Remember, we saw it here. It's here, so we can open with it's a text. It's a service, and now we can find what he's doing. So here's just a normal ignore property, and the command is in the bottom. That's what he's executing. It's exactly what we found. So in theory, what does the militia execute? Execute this file, and then okay, we don't need too much open, and then we know it's already here, so the action is there. So we got this one. Okay, cancel. The question was what time the second militia task daily, hour and minute, so we're not doing the seconds, so we can get it straight from here. Trigger at 5:21 p.m. so 5:21, 5 is 17:21 p.m. so okay, the next part we go into is let me still have time for the machine. Manual inspection of the services. Okay, so now we're going to start services. Service.mc. I didn't start the service. Service mc. Let's start the service, and here you have all the services. Let's make it cleaner. Service name. Oh, we didn't do we didn't test the PowerShell here. Because here it give you the enable PowerShell. This is one web place that you can use these things. Very interesting PowerShell to save them in your notes in case in the future rooms. And here it give you too much information. And then this you can do it also with shadow task, so it makes sure we get the same result. And then interesting is the and then here what? Let's enable it lists all enable should take by their creation date. So this is good because for time when you have the when the attack happened or something. And you can see this our Windows system update is here. Where is that? No, that one is and then this is one of the things that is very interesting. Lastly, we can combine all this into a single script to list shared tasks sorted by their creation date together with their significant information. So basically this is the best one to have. Save it. If you have a room, for example, you can just use this one to give you clear information, and you can see our friend there 96, and then you have our this one, and then you have the command, so it's clearer. And so here, but if you see the command is malicious. If you see the path already malicious is in public, so it give you a red flag here. So this is one command rather than running in circle in Microsoft event log and all of that. So if you have a room, you can save this one and straightforward. Okay, next one is this malicious the service manually. Of course, things will get tougher, and if you have a difficult hack, for example, now where is our for example, here you're playing with Amazon SSG agent, because usually it's just trying to where is that status running. For example, this one I can have property. It's an automatic. It gives you the file where it execute. Double click on the service to view details, and then log on. Local system account. The startup type is set automatic. Local system recovery. Okay, when the system restart on service. Okay, that one more for the things. and then with limited context the next thing to do is inspect the binary to conclude if it is malicious. We will use window task manager. Now open the task manager and navigate to services. Okay, so let's go to task manager. Task manager, what we have here? Task manager, we go to services, and that's Amazon S agent is running, and then what we do is supposed to do, given the view above, the process ID can be seen beside each running services. Using this information, we can correlate the spawn child process and validate further. This part is a bit confusing for me again. So basically, this is the process 3642, and then what? We're supposed to. This one just give you a list of services running. The task manager give you the process, and then it doesn't show the process ID. Where is that trick? Supposed to be. Why I can't? Supposed to. How we get the child? And I thought we can hide command, select column. You can go session ID, CPU. I don't need the CPU. There's no parent or child here in this. I don't need the memory. And then where's that command? I don't need that one. Enterprise power GPU. Where's the command? Supposed to have a basic priority handle thread, image path and command line. Let's see what. There's no child process here. Okay, we can have the image path running, so tell you where he's running from, the command. Yeah, maybe it give you some information, but where is the child process? I'm not sure this part exactly how a manual investigation. Yeah, it's basically you keep running. Maybe you need another tool for this. Task manager is because he said given the process ID can be seen beside each running service. Using this information, we can correlate the spawn child process and validate further if the running service is malicious. Because usually malicious services start and start someone else. Okay, let's assume that for now. And now we need to go to the task manager. If we go straight to agent, task manager, not task manager, the registry. If I go there, copy directly, and then get straight to Amazon SH, and we can see now image path. So the registry also can give us information what we're looking for. And then the registry is not any clue about the service creation date. The only information that we can is last write time. So the creation date we can't have it, but we can have the last write time. Now we need to export it as a text file. Let's test this one. Export. Make sure you put there text. I did a mistake myself and I kept running in it. Let's say what we called Amazon. It's in document. If I go to SPC, my document folder, I got that one. If I edit, I can have my. Why it looks strange? The key display name. Oh no, this is funny. Last write time is in the top. Okay. Oh, last write time is here. Okay, we got it. So okay, well, it's fine. So we can get the last time run from this. Then we have a PowerShell. Okay, so let's do them now, not like forget like we did last time. Control C. Does it has a clear PowerShell? Oh, it has like Linux. Okay. Now we have all of the services running. Okay, so this command show you, and then we have add the binary this service execute using the command line. So we can copy this. So the good part of this, it gives us the command but doesn't give us the date, so we can see that we have all the binaries and all of that, so that's cool. And then we have they said lastly supplement the PowerShell. This one I use it, that one is nice one. Let's copy it, let's call it let's get PowerShell editor. Remember guys, we are lazy people, so we don't do things too we do smarter way, lazy people way. So we get copy paste, and then we have let's do it, save it in tools like I did with Blazor Room. So we save it in the same, so we don't need to change where is the save button. Let's save it in the same place, so we don't have and the tools, let's save it with the same name. Get right, get right time, save it. Oh, it's already exists. They already gave us no, we don't need this option. Just no, it's already in C2. They already gave it to us, so we don't need to copy it. First of all, we need the bypass for security. So why is not copy? Be bypassing that one, and then we can adjust the whole thing. And now we can get the time. It's supposed to get the last write time. Okay, this, and then where is it? This is the most we're looking for forensic, the time. And then what is the next one? You may be observed that most services, the SVC host, and this is the room Blaze the hacker tried to use similar name to this one, and this is normal to see it. That's why I say when you see the SV, it's all over the place because it's common name and service in Windows. Next, we might Malicious has stopped, and this is very important in Blazor. This is the script that solved one of the questions, because this are the running services. Some malicious, they can just start, do one thing, and then just stop, or launch something else and stop. So basically, we need to look for the ones that been stopped, and this one to give us the answer to, I think, the question later on. Let's copy again. Here you can see that there are not a lot, so not give you the service that start, and you can, this service is CTT. You can see the location already flag. It's running from temp, so this is possible, so you can add it. This one, the name is correct, this window, so you can pass it. This is window edge, Google update, that's fine. SV is fine. MU update, this is the one that we got last time. You can see task 1 or 2, I think. Help folder. Now if we go now to the question, is aside from the server determined through logs, what is the full path of the binary executed by the second malicious service? We already, what we've been doing here, I forgot already. We're doing the manual inspection of services. So if we look, basically you can check the running and check which one you think, but also like in this room, is the one that status type automatic manual trigger and status. This is the running one. Remember when we did that command, there's one interesting one that we picked up, this one. So this command, where is that command again? In the PowerShell. You see now, this PowerShell when detect the one that stopped, the service that are not running, mean they start, they did something and then they stop. Where is that keyword stop? Name, object, name. Why I can't see it now? Yeah, stopped. But why it doesn't show me? Am I blind there? Stop, yeah. This service is big for me because the way where you start Windows temp CTT. Let's go to the registry. Let us see where are you? CTT. So you can see it's running temporary AKG, whatever funny name here. So let's give you an idea. We follow like we did before and say export as text and CTT, save it there. We go to our folders and then we can open this CTT. We get the time, but also the way that starts from Windows temp, Microsoft. What the exam? C Windows temp. Where is it? I don't see it. Why is it not here? It stopped, so no, but it's a file. So is there something? Remove it or something? Where's the registry? C Windows temporary. Is there another temp? Task temper. I really don't understand why I don't see the. Will it start remove itself or something? Maybe, yeah. In any case, that's very funny part. So aside from the second service, you can see we got it from there. We can get it straight from here. So from the PowerShell, I think it's this one. Otherwise, I'm really confused now. Okay, that one. The last write time, again, you can get it from this. So it's a 3753. Or you can get it from where? Yeah, you can get it from this one. We got it here. It's the same one. 553, but the 5 doesn't give you the second, so you need to go with this one. So this one doesn't give, for whatever reason, give you the date, hour and minute, but doesn't give you the second, so we need to go to that. So it's 03 because of the second, so you need to go to run the PowerShell. This one doesn't give you the second. I'm really intrigued why I don't see the file. What happened to it? Anyhow, now we go to Firefox browser forensic in Firefox. Firefox put his stuff where he put his stuff. If you go to the PC, local user, which user we try to investigate in Firefox? Jane Adams. So if we go to Jane Adams, update Firefox, you put in local on roaming. Sometimes I confuse with roaming. Update roaming, Mozilla, Firefox with a profile, and then the default, and then the other one. This is where the Firefox stores stuff, and you get where is that history part? The cookie SQLite extension. Where is the history? Oh, places. I forgot. It's called places. Places.sqlite is this one. So if you can get place SQLite, the content credentials saved through the browser and all of that. And now we have they give us the DB browser to use. So let's go to I open it already. Where is the DB browser? Is this one? So I can say read only, don't want confusing this PC user Jane Adams, update roaming, Mozilla, Firefox, profile, that one, and then we can start with the place SQLite, and then if you go to browser data, I think that no. The table annals. This one has the downloads. No, let's not start with the download. Places. The places give you all the places that, for example, you find the normal one, YouTube. You can see now there's a login, low helper. So this one, anything like that, it can you can think about it. Is it malicious or low helper? Like you said, is it part of the phishing or something? So you can get that one, and then most places, and then you can play with them, but most interesting is the place SQL, and then the places and Moz history visited. So how many times visited before? So Moz history visit, and you can the IDs, I think is a place ID, and tell you how many times. So let's stay in the places is key for us, and then we have the analysis, the download. So you can see these guys download the file user Jane, download MS Team setup, executable file here. Let's see, can we, why doesn't make it bigger this? And then we have what is this, start time, and then download, what download, why it's empty that side. CC setup 622, so there is funny strange here, CC setup 622, and you say the place ID is 62, so it's download from 62. Let's remember these things, 62 and 55. So if I go to places, what is 62 and 65? 62 is this one, avcdn.net, wherever. Where is the 62? Why tell me 65 and there is no 65 here? Where is that announce again? Oh no, it's 55 and 62. Places 55. What is 55? Team search office. So this one is legitimate, and then the 62, I don't know what is avcdn.net. So we know where the download came from. Okay, that's an information. And then okay, this it gives you the idea, because now each number it give you if a user follow the link. Here's for the phishing, when you can say This the person click on it or type it in the URL, all of that. So transition was permanent, redirect, all of this, if the way how the person access the link. And this is the, and then we have the cookie one. I will come back to the cookie one. And then they tell us, for quick example, refer to Microsoft documentation of web browser cookie use the Microsoft Intra Authentication 306. According to documentation, this cookie handled the user session. So we have this and we have this. Now let's play in the question now. When we said, what is the first year accessed by the user related to the phishing website? Now, what the phishing website? We remember is URL and title. A bit of self-explanatory information. However, the combination of URL and title can be used to determine some unusual mismatch that may lead to the discovery of phishing website. They give us evil.com or login Microsoft or something. So if we look there and our place now, like for example here, as I said, the case, say home Microsoft 365, sign up to your account. But if you look to the URL, it say low O helper. So you can guess this one is trying to trick the user. It give you you think you are in Microsoft 365, but the login is not. So this file is helper. This one is already funny enough. It's not a Microsoft URL, low helper. So you can think that is the phishing link. Now the question is said, what is the first URL accessed by the user related to the phishing website? So if you look at the IDs, the first one should be this one, because that's the number 39. Let's assume is this one, or if not, I'm confused. We'll figure it out as we walk around. Let's see if it's this one. Yeah, it's depend on the ID is the first one, 39. So the user click on that, then he go to login, and then sign to your account, and then he log, and they steal the detail of the user. Based on the question, what time did the user access this year? And you say, okay, can we get the time? Is there time here? Yeah, we have the time, but user exact filter, edit condition, copy. How we can convert it? I thought we can convert it in GMT as UCT, so it's correct. So it's Monday, 4th March 2024, 8 p.m. So let's try this one. March 4. What's the format? 03 March 4 2024, and it's PM, so it'd be 20. But why it give us time with the last visit? Can you convert it? Show row column, hide column, show edit display format. Last visit. I don't know, to be honest, how you convert it straight from here. It gives you time but doesn't give you any. I don't know, guys. Maybe you can convert it directly from here. I'm not sure. And then what is the cookie? Let's open the cookie for database. Where is the cookie SQLite? And the question is already gave us, I said there's two of them, so either STS or STS persistence, so you just look for it. Origin attribute, really? You're kidding me. Oh, this is the attribute. Am I in the right place? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, it's here. EST waiver. So the authentication, no, that's the login lawhelper.com. So I stole it. So we can see it's there. So this one contain the session information to file status persistence. So that's that. Oh, it's still half an hour only. I don't want to forget with the time, and then we end up in losing access. The next one, it's still long. 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, the next one is our friend Chrome. Okay, we can get who's the user that have Chrome. They can go back to our friend Shell. So we have all of them: Jane, administrator, Mike, and Susie. In this case, Chrome, he put in local, not like in roaming like Firefox. So basically, Mozilla. What user we trying to investigate as Mike Mayer. We're investigating Mike Mayer. So we go to Mike Mayer, update local, Google, Chrome, user data, and then you have the profile, user data, the default. Where is the default from? Default, and then you get the Chrome stuff. It should be history file here. This is the history and all the stuff, but for this we're not doing his history. Is more you have login data extension. We're doing the extension part in case there's malicious extension. So if we go to Mike Mayer here we're trying to investigate ls. We have two directory. Which one with now navigate to one of the extension directory and open manifest. So we investigate an nch. So you can see the nch directory, and then cd1 ls, and then let's say how to open. There's no cut in Windows, so you just go type manifest. Oh no, we have you have the key, the version, and then the background GS. So where do we get the background GS from? Cut money. Okay. Oh, this cut also in Windows PowerShell. Nice. So we have GS, and then the GS is already in same. So we can cut the background GS, and then Chrome runtime add listener. So what is like it listen, and then what it do? Based on the content, you may already deduce that it is a keystroke, so it listen. Harvest, given the name, description, however, is focused on the underlying script that execute while the extension is running. You may observe two Java files mentioned in the background.js and script.js. Where is the script.js? Oh, I didn't see this one. let's try the script.js. Script.js, what you can see XML request, it posts to this website. Okay, so it's still the information, send it to that website, this one. And you see the script connect to domain via post request, like we do sometimes of rooms in TryHackMe, stealing data and cookies. What does report to? Okay, the link is clear here, so we can just copy this one. Dethink lazy way, remove that one, so it removed to this one. Do we put the whole thing? Yeah, we put the whole thing. So this one, in case you have an extension, you can just go to the coding of it and check what's going on. Now Microsoft Edge, what user are we trying to investigate now? The administrator. Okay, the same, this one just to tell you who's who in the system that has so we have administrator, all of them, and then the path update local Microsoft Edge. So now we have we're trying to use this one, I think. Why this one is not opening? Run. Don't run. So we're doing the Chrome cache viewer because Edge is built in the same as Chrome, so we can use it. So we're trying to add the administrator update local cache. Let's open that file. Select cache folder with cache folder, administrator update local cache Chrome user data default cache data. It's already open it straight on it, so we don't need to change. This is the admin. So the admin, I don't think this funny part. What's this site? So if you click, you find this one, more information. We're not using this one as for us, we're using something else. Where is that something else? Too many things. Oh, it's in what's the name of it? We're using this one, Hindsight. Oops, not that you. Let's start Hindsight. Hindsight, when it started, it said us go to port 8080 in localhost. So we open Chrome, we go there, we go to our friend Chrome. Wait for it because it's just starting. So basically we investigating who? We investigating Susie. Susie updated local default. Her Chrome browser for Susie. And then we have that, and then we answer some question. What? Oh, Microsoft Edge. We're not doing Chrome. This room is about Edge. So Microsoft Edge. Okay, I forgot. Why is it's taking time to pull off? It's not starting. Okay, starting. So for us to do that, we need to get the path. We said we're going to. Let's not remove that one. Local C. We're going with Susie. This room we're going to Susie. Susie chain update local micro no, not OneDrive, local Microsoft Edge user data, and I think that's it. The folder user data default is same structure as Chrome. Now let's copy this URL. We leave it Chrome because Edge and Chrome as friends now. Interesting part, make sure always your timestamp is UCT so you don't get converting and all of that. let's run it. Let's wait for it. What was the question? Okay, let's play with the database for now, but the main question was, what is the first URL the Microsoft Edge user access related to malicious domain? The first, before we got the other user, which was Susan, get to Lou helper for Microsoft 360 or 360 for the other one. Oh, okay, 83. So before we jump, just save the SQLite, because this one sometimes is let's wait for it to save it. And then we go to Office, and then I'm getting tired. That's why this room was lazy to do it. Why hindsight you not want to save? I want to save it because open it with this one, it's better too easy to read. So that's one of the reasons I want to save it. Okay, the next one, let's not waste time. The Outlook. Outlook, okay, same things. You go there to follow the files. He did save it, but let's okay, let me open, let's finish first before we jump. Then we open View as in browser, and at the same time we can open what we just did. Open database. We don't, this PC in my download folder, we just did now export the database. So we have the database, so we can browse it. Timeline. So here it will be more clear and easier to read, but you can do here. I'm more interested in the timeline, and it shows you here, and you can see in the room is it give you some. So like you can make it nicer for selecting the queries. So you can say select timestamp URL and also type here I'm only looking for the URL. So you have this, the time is there. The question, see, you can't control the you need to put the mouse hover to see, and then you can see all the URLs, and then you look for what funny of them. So this is Microsoft, should be fine. Login Microsoft. DX support, this is possibly, depend what you think is malicious or not. Is sign into the account. Then we have Swiss logistic. Get start for OneDrive for business. So now how can we know which one is malicious? Sign up to your account, log in Microsoft, and then we have Swift logistics. It's possible. Let's see what we can get there. Then we can get the downloads query. Let's get the download query. If something was downloaded from any funny site, maybe give us an idea. Oh, Swift logistic, something was downloaded from there, and also from Microsoft, and the live and one-click SS Windows installer. So this one, not sure if it is the company website or a phishing website. Another good query is to render the list of download attempts made. This can be done by using the query, and then the cookie storage. Okay, the cookie. It means where the person. The above mentioned approach can be applied since DB browser SQL also execute a query. We did the SQL query. What is the first URL Microsoft Edge user related to malicious domain? Malicious domain. How we know malicious domain now? Let's go to the database query. It's easier to see there. So we follow, for example, the sign in. Usually malicious domain will ask you to sign. Let's filter in sign. Let's see if sign in your account. Okay, let's go there. There's still a lot of them. Let's see which one look funny. SharePoint.com. So this is Microsoft, so we can assume it's not phishing. Login Microsoft is not only mission. This is Microsoft, that's one, not phishing. Swift Logistic. Now the only thing I can guess about it is this site, dxcpod.net. But that's the only conclusion I can get from this. If I remove the Microsoft Online, Office, and all not malicious, so the only left is this dxcpod. OneDrive is fine, so let's fetch in dxcpod. There's no download happen from dxcpod, so okay, so nothing happened in dxcpod, so it was logging in dxcpod, but you can see from the first one is a 636.37. The first one is this one. I can guess it's a phishing because of this. Usually they trace the user, the hackers, they give specific link for each user to trace who click on it, so I can guess almost this one is the phishing website, and I can bet is the first one, because this is the timing start from the top and then it person login. I think it's this one, so if it doesn't, I'm not sure. Okay, so logically is we're looking for any site that you sign and then check for the one that look not normal. So this one, it look not normal, because if you log into Microsoft, you don't have / this random character in general. You just log in Microsoft, so you don't add you to trace you. Of course, we'll see later on in Outlook, we'll find this funny part later on. If we go to Microsoft Outlook now, oh, it doesn't give us, he's hiding the user. We go in with Jane Adams. Okay, what email is used by the phishing email sender? Okay, let's go to emailers. Who's this user? We did a PowerShell, so we know the what. Now we done this control. Let's go out of this. The one that has Microsoft Outlook, we can see. Let's get them. Maybe there are not a lot of them they have. Okay, there's only one person who has Microsoft Outlook. Is C. Jane Adams. User update local Microsoft. So we can get open local user Jane Adams update local Microsoft Outlook, and we can get her email, James Adam, or his email, and then is the inbox sent item. Of course, the first thing you can quickly go, you just go straight to attachment with the clip art. So this one look fine. There's no phishing link. Updated survey result. There is survey result updated zip. Interesting. What exactly the question? Oh, the phishing mail sender. Let's go back here. Oh, okay. Here is give you the let's follow. So what so we have these two files, and that's the zip folder until you one the last time was used. Yeah, the same things. This is very important, this note, because I had issue when I was doing browser ROM. He said, note, the content of this data will disappear, so don't count too much about this in the future to get the time, because if email with a link, so we know that the email came here with the attachment. I forgot to share the document for discussion, kindly review this one. And that's survey result update. I think this is one. Hi, I hope this email will find you well. Oh, there is a phishing link. Why I don't see the link myself? I hope this email found you well. Can you let me know availability next week? Survey. Oh, this is the link. It seems that I can't access this link. If you go back to the link, oh, that's what we got it last time. If you hover on it, it's a login helper, and you always see the client ID equal. So they always try to add the identifier at the end of the link. So if I can copy URL, copy shortcut, and then let's open it in text editor. You can see they always add this, so it should give them some funny parts. You can see login helper, and then I'm currently having problem accessing the custom port of suite folder. It seems that I can't access this. The head, of course, you can. You see how they trick him. He said to him, "Hi Jane, I hope this will work. I seem that I can't access." So you want to play the people to click in the link. When you click a property, you can see the time and all this information when it was sent. The email was what email? The sender. The sender is Julian Westcott. What email? You can see the sender present in email. Can we copy it? No, I don't want to type. How come you can't copy it? So we need to type it. It's not fair. Julien dot Westcott at Hotmail. So this is the email of the sender. So we got that. So basically, yeah, you can use the command line. You can see the attachment. Of course, doesn't give you the email of the person, so you need to go to Outlook and find it. Okay, what left for us for this room? Two tasks: deep dive in Office application and team. Oh, this one. Who has team? Let's see who has team in this in our room. Of course, we can go. Let me go back to go out of this. Oh, Mike Meyer is the one that has team. So, which software are we using? Yeah, it's in index. Team gets save its stuff in, and we're more interested, I think, in level DB folder, if I'm not mistaken. And then the tool we'll use is this one. Tool MS Team Parser. And now he give us the output to JSON. So let's make sure we are in the right folder where we save in. Let me go out, C user, administrator. Let me go to my document folder so we can apply there. So I'm going output JSON. So I'm trying to use this MS Team. This is software. Now let me go to my document. I save it there. This PC, my document, out JSON, open with text editor, and then we have this all this information about the data. So display record is too much to read here. So if you have a lot of them, is you have some. It gives you all the discussion. Is there a better way to? Okay, based on the content, the contact, display name, email URI, the message. You may have observed that it is tedious to inspect the content. Yes, it's difficult. So let's give us a faster way to do it. Let's use the PowerShell. Yes, give us PowerShell. We are lazy us. Let's see. Oh no, so give us this. Oh, this were more to correlate, I think, between the IDs and all of that. We are more lazier. We need a simpler way. Let's say simpler way. Give us a simpler way. Oh, this is not simpler. It's again still has too much data. We want to combine. Now he's combining the messages, but the last one I think is the one that gives us nice information, clear and net. See, this is the type of rooms I like. You can save these PowerShells in for future use. Now we have nicer create a time, message content, how are you doing, and all of that. Hi Mike. If we go back, here it is. Sorry, I was not able. Let's look for funny stuff. To facilitate for implementation of this update, we kindly request all users for instruction attached document. So there is an attachment. Let me know if you have any question. Where's the attachment? So let's follow the story. Scenario phishing via Microsoft Team. Aside from image, chat, message application, now also revealed by threat actor malicious link or attachment. To expand our current investigation, let's determine for any file received. Yeah, because when we said an attachment, kindly use the following password to open the document. SS log. Where is the attachment? Oh, to upload PowerShell, the attachment, we can get it somewhere here if we can read. Let's see, attachment. Oh, attachment. We have attachment. How many attachment is there? There was only one, so it's this one. User mic. It's very funny to. Yeah, here you talk about attachment. So if let's follow the whole nice script for us, the lazy way. No, I remember. Oh, attachment. It gives us attachment now. System update. And it give the password. So we already saw now the attachment. So it's good. This is nice PowerShell. With all information from the team metadata, you can try correct information with the other artifact discussed in the previous task. Review user browser history to see if there is. Okay. What is the name of the malicious attachment? Already attachment. We already have it. System update.zip. So this one is already straightforward. Is it the same? No, I'm getting but lost. Where is that? The email? Did we close the email? The attachment here was update survey result, and what we have here, system update. What's the URL found inside the malicious attachment? Huh. System update. Do we have it here? Customer portal issue. What is the file name of the malicious attachment sent via Microsoft Teams? What is the URL found inside the malicious attachment? No, I forgot how the hell I will solve this room. We are not in Outlook. This is the system update. Mike Mayer. No, I'm a bit confused. If it's Mike Mayer, so did he download it? Let's see. Download. Oh, he has it. He downloaded it. Okay, I've almost got confused where. Let's see what if you open it. It's a shortcut. You can see. So you click on it. It's dangerous. PDF link. Let's do this. System download. System update. Extract. The password, we have the password. Where is the password? We have the password. Yeah, it's a shortcut. Oh, now it shows the target is you can see it's same as the room Blitzer. So now we go there, we remove that. Let's remove that, and then not defang the base 64. And not 36. And then the null byte, remove null byte, and then we have the URL. It go to this one, and then we can defang the URL, and then we got that one. Hey, I got confused for a moment. So he was downloaded, so the attachment was downloaded it's in saved in directory, so it's in his PC. So okay, so I thought, but the fundamental question is, so this one, it just give us a log, it doesn't tell us where it was saved. Is there other way? Because the question said review the user browsing history to see if there are error in the message. Inspect file system. We can say because it's download. So basically, what we can assume is let's see, Mike Meyer. We're talking about who's this guy, Mike Meyer. So if I go to open database and this PC local, no user, Mike Meyer, update. What do you have, Mike Maker? Do you have Firefox on you? No. You have do you have Chrome? Local Google Chrome user data default all files history. Downloads. What did you download? Harvester, but I don't see the Teams viewer. Oh, the system update. He downloaded. So you can check from history. It's in Google Chrome. He downloaded, and of course by checking the system you can know it's in his download folder. So that's how you solve this part of the room. So you can check his history and get the data. Okay. Whew. For a moment, yeah. Then Microsoft OneDrive analyzes. It's an updater local Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, from the business folder, two important file contain significant information: the sync engine and sync diagnostics. Contain the information related to synchronization process of OneDrive. Okay. Software we'll use now is I didn't open it as administrator, so let me lock it off. I think we're done with this. Let's close these too many things. This OneDrive, I need to lock it and open it with an admin access right. We don't need the log anymore, so run as administrator. And then what we do with it? Run as administrator and then live system. Okay, live system. Once done, you will see a nested list of file directories on the left sidebar, the child content in the middle, and properties of chosen item at the rightmost view. So, okay, so name of the file, last chance, status, size. Let's see what we have. We don't have nothing. Well, he's running. So you click. In addition to this, it is also good to check the properties of the main OneDrive folder given the example below. It is essential to take note of associated OneDrive link. So you're talking about this. And then of course this is the deleted folder. Lastly, the file delete can also be a good source for information. The tool view contain the list of deleted files, the date of deletion, and the file location of the machine. Based on the information, any unusual file detected in hide track can be discovered. Okay. What we have this? Why it look funny? Sync data. Why it look funny? attachment. So it's like you sync the whole thing. Let's see what he's doing here. Susan. Let's say what you go to sync engine DB. Sync engine DB. User Susan. Why is hiding it for what? Yeah, you have Swift. I don't know why it's not. It looked funny in web URL Swift. Deleted is empty. Oh, there's 2 deleted invoice here. That's what he said. I'm getting confused about this. Delete. There is an invoice delete, and then the sync URL is set path C user OneDrive suite logistic, and the next one is the invoice and the path Susan chain. But where is the damn URL? What the question is again? What is the year of unusual shared point site sync by the user? Oh, the syncing part of it. C user OneDrive Swift spend logistic pay me now. Client document. Yeah, that's the path pay me now. You think this is the answer to this question? So what? This one should be removed. No. A URL. I got confused. Why mine doesn't look it give you the path but doesn't give you the URL. Why isn't his screenshot it has no, it's same path you What is the URL of an unusual SharePoint site synced by the user? Suzy Chan, let's go back to this Suzy Chan. The main point is C user Suzy Chan logistic. The web URL is Swift logistic SharePoint Suzy Chan Swift logistical. Remote path is this one. C user think let's go read again. In addition, the property of the main OneDrive folder. Given the example below, it is essential to take note of the associated OneDrive link and the folder location on the local machine. By checking the associated OneDrive link, you determine unusual OneDrive folder as synced a local machine. One example use case for exfiltration file. So the web URL and the mount point. Yeah, the web URL. The web URL for the Susan is, we know it is an http.com. The deleted folder, the invoice was synced to client document pay me now dash client document. I did solve this wrong. What is the URL? So if you're asking for URL, it's not checking for the SharePoint. Unusual SharePoint site. SharePoint site. Oops. Shape. This is the folder, the path. Susan Chen. Hold on, these two of them. This one here, it go to Swift Register in SharePoint.com, and this one go to same SharePoint is a sites management. And then the deleted file is the invoice, and then guys, I don't want to waste someone's time. Let's see. That's the answer for all things. Project management. So this one, my SharePoint Susan, and this one I don't get yes, to sync here this user is Swift. What is the URL of an unusual SharePoint site synced by the user? So this one, it's synced to Swift logistic dash my dot SharePoint, and this one is not the same. and this one mount point is user Suzy OneDrive, and this one her document. So I think is this one that I don't want to waste too much time. But why is that one is suspicious? The deleted, where they go? The deleted is in the, oh, that's why. Maybe because of deleted one. Pay me now, Swift spend logistic, pay me now client document. This one is mounted in, this is the URL swiftlogistic.share.com, and the one that is normal for the company is Swift spend logist my. So it means this is the legitimate URL, and then unusual SharePoint site. So if you, it means this one, the question you need to know about the legitimate site. So this one is not a legitimate address, maybe, I'm not sure. This is like the fake one. So the original, the company, it's -my, and then this one is the wrong one. I think that's the, maybe that's the logic behind it. That's why he's hiding this second one. The second one is the dodgy one. So this one is the fine one, so it's Swift spend logics, and this one is not. Maybe is the other one now. I think that's the maybe the logic behind it. So that's the original company, and this one is not the one supposed to share to. Guys, if someone has better explanation, please let me in the comment. I'm a bit confused in this part. My brain is getting off, but it's take long. I need to start work. I hope it helped someone for this room. I'm not sure. I hope it did good. If someone has question, please drop the comment. I'll try my best to reply, and thank you very much and have a good day.